I, Duma Boko, do swear that I will faithfully and diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the high office of the President of the Republic of Botswana. We have yet again become an intriguing as well as an instructive case study of democracy at work, not in abstraction, but for the world to learn from. The message I impart is unity, togetherness. We are the village that the future will look back to and either praise or look back in lamentation. Let's send our roaring voices into the future to be the wind beneath our sails. Let's carry those who came before us, those we have today, and those who will come after us to greater heights than we have scaled.